This is the second installment of our introduction to Kriya Yoga. Another important requirement for successfully practicing Kriya Yoga is proper preparation. Again, many people learn kriyas. Since it is their first introduction to a general yoga practice, they derive little or no benefit because their body and mind are unprepared and lack the ability to perform basic yoga techniques. Full preparation is essential and includes: first, body conditioning and sound health. This is the basic goal and is achieved through Hatha Yoga. By body control, I don't mean the type of control developed by people in the circus, but the type of control that is sufficient to perform yoga practices easily, including Kriya Yoga. Needless to say, health is of utmost importance not only in advanced Kriya Yoga practice, but also in everyday life. When you have any illness or pain, it is very difficult to think of anything else. Therefore, the initial goal of yoga is to radiate health by eliminating existing illnesses or improving current health conditions. By practicing asanas, pranayama, and various body purification techniques as described in books 1 and 2, we can achieve the necessary state of vitality. Once we have achieved sufficient body control and health, practicing Kriya Yoga becomes very easy. Follow the techniques of Kriya Yoga without being constantly disturbed by physical discomfort or illness. We can actually forget about the body and turn our awareness in another direction. Second, being proficient in mudras and bandhas. These will be discussed in detail in the next lesson. But briefly, we can say that both mudras and bandhas are ways to stimulate the plexus and endocrine secretions and activate the body's bioenergetics. Mudras are sometimes used to symbolically represent inner mental or spiritual feelings. This is a very basic explanation. Third, development of breathing consciousness. What is breathing awareness? It's very easy and can be developed by anyone with practice. It's just being aware of the fact that I am breathing in and out. This can be done when you are talking, when you are working, or when your mind is preoccupied in another direction, or even when you are sitting comfortably with your eyes closed. It can be done at any time and in any situation, even while you are reading these words and understanding everything that is written at the same time. With practice, it is possible to maintain this breath awareness while performing all your daily activities. Awareness of the breath means that you are simultaneously aware of your consciousness. In other words, when you are aware that you are breathing, you are automatically aware of your awareness. Most people forget that they are aware or conscious. They are so caught up in their thought processes and behaviors that they do these things automatically. So by being aware of your breath, you are constantly aware of your conscious existence. You are no longer caught up in your mental and physical activities, which is a very important thing to remember. As a little digression, consider the difference between animals and humans. Animals eat food, sleep, and perform various activities throughout their lives. Humans also eat and sleep, but there's one difference. We have the ability to know what we're doing, whereas animals perform a variety of behaviors without realizing it. There are also distinct differences between the various stages of human development. All humans think, but some people who are more aware are able to watch themselves think. They can stand outside of themselves and watch the thought processes taking place in their minds. The goal of breath awareness is to provide a constant reminder of your ability to be aware of your consciousness and to be a witness or spectator to your mental and physical activities. Breath awareness is an integral part of Kriya Yoga. Fourth, familiarity with the location of your psychic pathways and chakras. The psychic pathways are the passageways or channels through which the breath travels. Awareness, or mental consciousness, can flow or move. There are various pathways, one of which is in the center of the spine from top to bottom. It is easy to describe the path of the psychic pathway, but the practitioner must develop and experience the flow of breathing consciousness in the psychic pathway for themselves. They must become aware of the breath in the pathway and feel the movement of the breath.